Good evening, I'm Vivian Winslet with News Now Influence. The judgment in the Democratic Alliance's D. A case against John Hlophe has just been South Africa's political and judicial landscape. The Democratic Alliance sought an urgent court interdict to prevent John Hlophe, leader of the uMkhonto weSizwe party in Parliament, from participating in processes related to the Judicial Service Commission (JSC). The Western Cape High Court has granted this request, effectively barring Hlophe from any involvement with the JSC for the time being. The DA's concern was that Hlophe's involvement could threaten the independence and integrity of South Africa's judiciary, which they argue must remain free from political influence. John Hlophe has long been a controversial figure in South Africa, both in politics and the judiciary. His career has been shadowed by multiple high-profile incidents and allegations, often placing him under intense scrutiny from both the public and political spheres. The DA's decision to secure this interdict forms part of a broader strategy to ensure the judiciary stays impartial and free from political interference. For the Democratic Alliance, this court ruling marks a major victory. It highlights the importance of protecting the independence of the judiciary in a democratic society. The ruling also shines a spotlight on the critical role that courts play in defending the rule of law and ensuring that justice is delivered without prejudice or favoritism. This decision has broad implications, particularly for the DA. It validates their efforts to keep political influence away from the judiciary, a stance they have maintained throughout the case. The judgment also serves as a cautionary message to other political players regarding the importance of respecting the impartiality of South Africa's courts. For John Hlophe, this ruling is a significant blow. It could have profound consequences for his political career and his ongoing role in the Judicial Service Commission. In the larger picture, this case is part of South Africa's continuous struggle to safeguard its democratic institutions. The judiciary, as a key component of this structure, serves as a necessary check on the powers of both the executive and legislative branches of government. Protecting the judiciary's independence from political interference remains essential for the proper functioning of the country's democracy. This ruling, along with the DA's legal actions, underscores the importance of accountability within both the political and judicial systems. Political leaders, public officials, and members of the judiciary alike must adhere to the highest standards of conduct. The interdict against John Hlophe is a reminder of the constant vigilance required to preserve the integrity of democratic institutions. In conclusion, the Western Cape High Court's judgment is a significant development for the DA, for John Hlophe, and for South Africa's democratic process as a whole. It reaffirms the crucial role of the judiciary in upholding the rule of law and emphasizes the need for impartial justice in a free and fair society. This is Vivian Winslet reporting for News Now Influence.